fat, healthy queen. And I don't really need to proceed any further. To do so, just for curiosity, with a hive with this many bees ends up smashing a lot of them, and I hate to do that. So try to smoke them just to move them down. I'll put this on very slowly, very slowly. Some of them aren't moving out of the way, but a bit of an angle, and then slowly turn it. When I get to the edges, there'll be a couple of bees that are in danger of being decapitated, and I will try to smoke them and move them out of the way. There's one right there. Okay. Once one of them gets smashed, again, they all want to congregate around. Get all of them out of the way. Get out of the way. And quickly put it back. Couple, unfortunately, got smashed, and I hate every time that happens. But in a really strong hive, it's hard to avoid. And I kind of just scrape around the edges, get that danger pheromone off. Those bees will find their way out. Alright, so I assessed a couple things. That I have a healthy queen. She's in there. And that they're starting to draw comb on this top box, which I'll probably need to put another super on in the next week, month. Just gotta keep my eye on that. The less bees in there, less likely I am to smash any and have any problems with that one. And I know that the hive beetles aren't in the hive, they're just on the outside, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm also trying to provide a little extra ventilation today, being as it's early fall, and just to do that to prevent too much moisture from being in the hive. Just going to put some popsicle sticks before I put the inner cover on, and that gives them about quarter of an inch of space, maybe even less, just for a little extra airflow. Smash any hive beetles I find. Put the top cover on. Try not to move the popsicle sticks. And give them the sugar water back. Keep making more because they keep taking it and they need it to build up their stores. Hopefully I won't have to feed them in winter, but I probably will anyway. Okay, so that is that.